can't believe it's not raining. Not complaining, but I still can't believe it.
Here they come out of turn number 4, slow and smooth. Getting the upper hand early, but Anthony Flannery, they did a lot of work on that car to get it the way it used to be early in the season. They keep Greyhound his way to the early lead with a combination of the
watch yourself!
They really made some drastic changes in that car, basically to get it the way it was earlier in the season. Here comes Joe Curioso, and he can try to...
Watch yourself!
So Andronico went outside to avoid the contact, and he ran into the Widowmaker in turn number 4. Yeah, hard hit for Flying Brian in the 07 car. We got to see how he's doing.
Flannery's been money on these restarts so far.
See him in second place as we get ready. 25 to the inside, 27 to the outside. And it looks like Helliwell has some power as he grenades his way into turn number 3. Leading by about a snaz, but bouncing back on the bottom of there. Great battle up front, 25 to middle.
On the inside now.
He has position, he has leverage underneath Flannery. Does he have the lead? And the answer is yes. Over 27 power will give up the lead. Flannery drops it back.
Definitely needed caution. Oh, it's up with Bruce! Whoa! What's up there?
They're finishing up the pairs right now. Booth has the car fired up. There's a gouge in the front end that they're working on. But the 35 looks to get back to the track. Man, I don't know how many laps left.
Wow! Bruce didn't get back out! Bruce didn't make it back out!
That is a good one on me. Underneath Curioso. Here comes Jeff Smith. And they lead the Christian their way. Turn number 3. Smith on fire. Car number 15. He is halfway there. Echo is absolutely crushing that first time action. He's a
Man, Curioso always runs good on the outside. Wow, look at Curious Joe, man. He's not playing around. He wants the podium. White flag. Joe got him that time. Wow. Oh, Sweeney in the wall. Turn 4. Wow! Curioso digging for second. Good show. It's a good show.
Down to the checkered flag. We battled brake problems the whole race, but you know we were able to hang in there enough to pick up the win tonight. Will you be back this year? Oh, you better believe it. That's a word from our winner, Wayne Helliwell. This time from the state of New Hampshire, come to the Speedbowl and get one of the big victories of the year. Christina Callahan now taking on a challenge from Ray Christian III. It's side by side down the backstretch. So the cars, Jeff knocks their way off the turn, and Jeff Mellenbacher, a former champion. And he's trying to fly all over the outside is Groove, and we have Candy. Then Central followed by...
A lot of people banged up right there.
So a hard hit, and getting the worst of it was Jeff Mellenbacher. Turn number 4, we get ready to go back to green flag racing. Green is out. We're underway. It is race 1, 2, Ken Cassidy on the outside. And now trying to make a move on the bottom is Glenn Colvin. So the guy who...
All right, we can have a show here up front.
Glenn Colvin and Ken Cassidy are running together. They swoop up. Contact between he and Colvin. They are still tangled up. They are locked together. Colvin.
Wow.
And they are still hooked up.
That could be issues. This could be meltdown.
We saw the 93 go around, and surgically attached to him was the 39. Here we got to restart here.
All right, here we go. Come on.
Here is Stemler giving it all he can hit. Oh, is a factor. Evans is a factor, but Cassidy is able to pull away with the lead. Cassidy down the back stretch. Stemler to the outside. Gets a run on the number 11. Phillips to pull even if it goes to turn 3 and 4. Well, Evans also on the move on the outside. He's on the back bumper of Stemler. And he is able to regain the lead.
Flying Phil, not messing around right here.
Down the back stretch.
Wow, digging it. Phil's digging right here.
Top 5. And Pat Dakota has to worry about Christina Kellerman and Carter 04. Cassidy has to worry about Phil Evans. Two of the all-time winners in the mini-stock divisions have hooked up. Ken Cassidy on the inside, and Evans surrounding him as they fireball their way into turn number 4. Cassidy trying to squeeze his way. They are cheek to cheek, elbow to elbow, belly to belly. But Cassidy is able to get the lead. Cassidy with a half car advantage over his 12 of Evans. Now Sembrook to the inside of Phil Evans.
It's a good show. Sembrook's not messing around either.
Phil Evans has Jeff Sembrook has made his way into the battle for the second spot. Phil Evans to the outside. The 26 of Sembrook is just from the second spot away down the back. He includes Phil Evans, battling for third. At the front, checkered flag in the air. The creek holds the bar, number 11, Ken Cassidy Jr. the winner. Coming home in second will be the 26th. That is Jeff Sembrook. Third, on finish line, Dave Veraball. Field moving off turn number 4, 3 flags up.
Wow, it's getting dicey there behind Bressel. Diego's all messed up.
He launches around like an airplane propeller. It's turn number 2.
Wow. Kyle James muscling it. Oh, yellow, turn 4.
You're going to have to wait if we have a problem. It's turn number 4. Three-way battle for the number 3 position. What you'll have is the first outside.
Ah, dude.
Was going to make a move, and he was backwards.
Harry Ram again, dude.
Now Mordillo trying to repeat what she just did, but she didn't have the authority. the crew has been able to celebrate one of the great talents of Connecticut motorsports, Dave Terrible. Field off turn number 4, green flag in the air. Chris Meyer to the outside, followed by Brandon Clemens. The Clemens trying to catch up to Barrett, is unable to do it. Here's Coach Stone the third. He was a winner a week ago, and right now he makes an authoritative move underneath the 60.
Oh, live wire. Taking it back. Good show up front, man. Oh!
And right now he is challenging Doc Galvin for the number 5 position. They are still duking it out. Incredible. Side by side.
Oh, Brandon spinning.
Turning loose is Clemens. And he brings out the yellow. A great first season from Chris Meyer as he has established himself as one of the favorites in the division. He is sitting on the lap of Al Stone as they come off.
Ah, Stone.
Trying to launch into the lead.
Got it. This ain't the first time these two have battled, though. Right? I'm not counting the live wire out.
Remember, Julio's second lap was to Al Stone. If he tries to flash this way, Caprio has that spot, but he is getting double teamed on the inside.
Oh, Meyer almost lost it. Oh! Still bringing it in. Still bringing it. Still bringing it.
Checkered flag in the air. Comes off turn 4. It'll be Al Stone the third, taking the win.
Wow. With the rain coming down.
It's
It's gonna open up now.
Michael Caprio.